What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Thursday, November 29th, 2018. So, got a few stories here that I want to touch on real quick. And the first one is this coming straight out of Reuters. Citigroup, JP Morgan to pay $182.5 million to settle rate rigging lawsuit. So this story is about JP Morgan and Citigroup, how they colluded and were rigging interest rates over the course of several years. And they weren't the only one involved. 5 banks, other banks were also involved. A preliminary settlement addressing the bank's alleged manipulation of European interbank offered rate, or Euribor, was filed on Wednesday night with the U.S. District Court in Manhattan and requires a judge's approval. 5 banks have reached $491.5 million of settlements in the case, including earlier settlements of $170 million by Deutsche Bank, $94 million by Barclays, and $45 million by HSBC. So, not even years ago, just even like this year, the CEO of JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon, came out and said he doesn't even want to talk about Bitcoin. He's tired of talking about Bitcoin, and it's still, a fraud, and all these other adjectives he would like to use to describe Bitcoin, and how much of a fraud Bitcoin is, and yet his bank is involved in not only money laundering but also rigging interest rates. So I would definitely like to see these guys serve some jail time for the crap that they're pulling on a daily basis. Okay, and this is just the stuff that's coming to light. This is just the stuff that they're getting caught doing. Imagine all the other stuff that we don't even know about. So I'm not even going to spend too much time on this. This is just wanted to point it out to you guys that, hey, these banks are still up to their same shenanigans. All right, next, once it loads, as a matter of fact, let me make sure everything is set and ready to go. All right, so next we have, coming out of Forbes, all right, coming straight out of Forbes, we have this: Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay, says Wall Street boss amid crypto rut. I'm sorry. So Jeff Sprecher, he's the chairman for the New York Stock Exchange. He, in an interview said that, hey, Bitcoin is here to stay, and I highlighted what he was talking about down here somewhere. I guess in reloading it must have disappeared. Here it is. But this is what I highlighted before. Let me make sure this is highlighted again. Boom. And is there an X to get rid of this? No. But here we go. Oftentimes in finance, it's not about being the best. It turns out to be about being the broadest and most commonly accepted, and for whatever reason, Bitcoin has become that. So, in this story again, he's just talking about the backed initiative, or the backed exchange that the New York Stock Exchange parent company ICE is going to form and start with. Here, go to X, boom. Microsoft, and also partnered with Microsoft and Starbucks. All right, and that basically Bitcoin is number one, and first mover and all that stuff, and that, hey, Bitcoin's here to stay, and that's what the people want right now. All right. So again, all these stories will be linked in the description below. So in this article here coming out of the Abacus Journal, beyond research, Morgan Stanley Crypto. Morgan Stanley is discussing several different institutional Bitcoin and Ethereum products. And I just wanted to highlight this because it's going to lead into this other story right here. All right, so Morgan Stanley doesn't have any interest in building out a warehouse facility or cold storage vault to house private keys and racks of hardware wallets. There isn't any money in it. At least not the kind of money that tier 1 institutions have an interest in earning on that type of investment. So that leads me to this next story here. And this, I found this one earlier because of the digital asset investor. Go check out his YouTube channel. All right. But Morgan Stanley Trader Talk. We talk about crypto every day around here. You can bet we'll trade the ish out of it in 2019. So they're not even worried about a custody solution for crypto. They just want to trade it because they see the volatility in it, and they see crypto traders, all right, with YouTube channels and things of that nature, making a killing. So imagine the kind of damage they'll be able to do when institutional, investors get into the space and they're managing, hundreds of millions of dollars and trading hundreds of millions of dollars in crypto, or maybe even billions of dollars in crypto. Imagine the kind of damage they'll be doing. All right. So in this article here, they spoke. We spoke to three Morgan Stanley trade desk sources regarding the news from Bloomberg that the global investment banks was set to begin offering clients a synthetic Bitcoin product, and the conversations were illuminating, to say the least. And you could read this article. It's pretty cool. These guys go in on basically just went ham on talking about the fact that they just can't wait to get their hands on the amount of money that's going to be coming into the space in 2019, and the fact that they'll be trading the ish out of crypto. All right, so Bitcoin, cryptos aren't going anywhere. Yes, the market is down right now 80% from its all-time highs. However, remember what's coming into the space. We have, quote unquote, more traditional exchanges opening up crypto desk and crypto exchanges and crypto futures, or Bitcoin futures, I should say, in the first quarter of next year, and also, all these institutional investors coming into the space. All right, and the infrastructure is being built out right now to allow that to happen. And you hear it right, you see it right here. Morgan Stanley, the traders. We talk about crypto every day around here. This is something that they talk about. And just hold on to your cryptos, people. That's all I'm saying. Just hold on to your cryptos. Don't sell your crypto. And again, this is not financial advice, but me personally, I'm not selling my crypto because I know the value of it and what's to come. All right, so just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash up the likes, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And this has been your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.